वेलकम बैक एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल यूनिवर्स एकेडमी। आज वीडियो में आलोचना करिबा ओपीएससी प्रीलिम एग्जाम रो क्वेश्चन एवं तार आंसर। तो आसंतु आरंभ करिबा आज वीडियो। प्रथम क्वेश्चन देखिबा, द गवर्निंग काउंसिल ऑफ नीति आयोग comprises of prime minister and all chief ministers and experts and specialists, all chief ministers and lieutenant governors, chief ministers and union finance minister. Niti Aयोग comprises of all chief ministers and lieutenant governors. The correct answer is option C. Next question देखिए, the chairman of Zonal Council in India is finance minister, chairman of Rajya Sabha, union home minister, speaker of Lok Sabha. The chairman of Zonal Council in India is option C, union home minister. The correct answer is option C, union home minister. Next question. For each country, global hunger index values are determined by which of the following indicators? Undernourishment, child mortality, child stunting, child wasting. Hunger index values ପାଇଁ चारोटी जाको फैक्टर्स डिटरमाइंस करा जाए। अंडर नरिशमेंट भी हबो, चाइल्ड मोर्टालिटी भी हबो, चाइल्ड स्टंटिंग भी हबो, चाइल्ड वेस्टिंग भी हबो। देबार करेक्ट आंसर होची ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ द अबव। एई चारोटी जाको इंडिकेटर यूज करा होची ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करया पय। नेक्स्ट देखिबा, द रिजर्व हेल्ड बाय कमर्शियल बैंक्स over and above the statutory minimum with the RBI are called A, cash reserve, option B, deposit reserve, option C, monetary reserve, option D, excess reserve. सटीक आंसर होची ऑप्शन ए, कैश रिजर्व। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following promoted the concept of self-help groups for financing the poor? Option A, Niti Aayog, option B, RBI, option C, NABRD, option D, Union Ministry of Labour. The correct answer is option C, NABARD. NABARD promote the concept of self-help groups or for financing the poor. Next question देखिबा, which of the following is not a financial inclusion scheme? प्रधानमंत्री जन धन योजना, सुरक्षा बंधन स्कीम, अटल पेंशन योजना, HRIDAY। और सटीक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी, हेरिटेज सिटी डेवलपमेंट एंड एग्रीटेंशन योजना, जाकी शहर विकास और विस्तार करबा योजना। तेणु यह एक फाइनेंशियल योजना हो नाही। So the correct answer is option D, HRIDAY. Next question देखिबा, शिशु, किशोर and तरुण are the scheme of Industrial Development Bank of India, Micro Units Development and Reference Agency Limited, Small Industry Development Bank of India, Regional Rural Banks. और सटीक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन बी, Micro Units Development and Reference Agency Limited. Next question देखिबा, which of the following indicator is not used to calculate human development index? Option A, education, option B, per capita income, option C, life expectancy, option D, social inequality. ए चारटी मध्ये कोनटी ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट करिया पई इंडिकेटर पे व्यवहार करा जाय नाही। सटीक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन डी, सोशल इनइक्वालिटी। सोशल इनइक्वालिटी को ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स कैलकुलेट करबे इंडिकेटर रूपे व्यवहार करा जाय नाही। बाकी तीनोटी एजुकेशन, पर कैपिटा इनकम, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी को इंडिकेटर रूपे व्यवहार करा जाय। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following committees recommended a poverty line based on nutritional requirement exclusive? Option A, Lakdwala committee, option B, Rangarajan committee, option C, Alagh committee, option D, Tendulkar committee. सटीक उत्तर होची ऑप्शन सी, अलग कमिटी। नेक्स्ट देखिबा, द फर्स्ट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल एम्स टू एरेडिकेट extreme poverty. How does the UN currently measure extreme poverty? Option A, people who are unemployed and unable to access welfare benefit from the state. Option B, people who live in less than $5 per day. Option C, people who claim to be living in poverty. Option D, people who lives on less than $1.25 per day. The correct answer is option D, people who lives on less than $1.25 a day. Next question देखिवा, which is the highest allocation ministry in budget 2021-22? Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Railway, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Defense. Next question देखिवा, central government has unveiled a new series of consumer price index for industrial worker with dash as the base year. 2011, 2016, 2017, 2018. The correct answer is option B, 2016. Next question देखिवा, the contribution of the primary sector to GDP of India is dash, increasing over the years, remaining the same over the years, decreasing over the years, at times increasing and at times decreasing over the years. The correct answer is option C, decreasing over the years. प्राइमरी सेक्टर जीडीपी समय अनुसार धीरे धीरे कमिबार लागिछि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, Robinhood effect is related to which of the following? Income and consumption, income generation, income redistribution, income taxation. The correct answer is option C, income redistribution. Income redistribution is related to Robinhood effect. Next question देखिबा, out of the four concept of money supply used in India, M1, M2, M3 and M4, the post office savings are included in M1 only, M3, M4 only, M4 only, M2 and M4 only. The correct answer is option D, M2 and M4 only. Next question देखिबा, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority IRDA is which type of body? Option A, constitutional body. Option B, statutory body. Option C, advisory body. Option D, non-governmental body. The correct answer is option B, statutory body. Next question देखिबा, deforestation is not a direct cause of option A, loss of biodiversity. Option B, topsoil erosion. Option C, global climatic change. Option D, species invasion. The correct answer is option D, species invasion. Next question देखिबा, the succession where the community increases its diversity and complexity, which type is called primary succession, progressive succession, retrogressive succession, denuded succession. The correct answer is option B, progressive succession. Next question देखिबा, biochemical oxygen demand of water is a measure of water nitrate level, water phosphate level, water organic load, water pesticide load. The correct answer is option C, water organic load. Next, which of the following does not belong to natural air pollutant? Hydrocarbon, SOx, NOx, peroxyacetyl nitrate. The correct answer is option D, peroxyacetyl nitrate. Next देखिए अभी, ex-situ conservation includes national parks, botanic gardens, biosphere reserves, wildlife sanctuaries. The correct answer is option B, botanic gardens. Next देखिए, the database generated by ENVIS is used for the management of option A, biodiversity, option B, freshwater recharge, option C, ocean temperature, option D, population growth. The correct answer is option A, biodiversity. Next question देखिबा, CBD is expanded as convention on biodiversity, conservation of biodiversity, conservation of biological diversity, center of biological diversity. The correct answer is option A, convention on biodiversity. Next question देखिबा, which of the following is a correct combination? Sundarban dinosaurs, Kaziranga lion, Bharatpur tigers, Balukhanda black buck. सुंदरबन होची बेंगल टाइगर, काजीरंगा होची वन हॉर्न डायनासोर, भारतपुर होची बर्ड सेंचुरी. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following is expected to be a cause of rise in sea level? Ozone layer depletion, monsoon rain, melting of polar ice cap, continental drift. The correct answer is option C, melting of polar ice cap. Next question देखिबा, the solar energy is a dash, conventional energy source, non-conventional energy source, non-renewable energy source, existable energy source. The correct answer is option B, non-conventional energy source. Next question, bats use dash to navigate and find food. Resonance, magnetoreception, electroreception, echolocation. The correct answer is echolocation. Bats use echolocation to navigate and find their prey. Next question देखिबा, nucleic acid present in coronavirus is deoxyribonucleic acid, oxyribonucleic acid, ribonucleic acid, chromatin. The correct answer is option C, ribonucleic acid, RNA. Next one देखिबा, television signals are frequency modulated, amplitude modulated, both frequency and amplitude modulated, phase modulated. The correct answer is option C, both frequency and amplitude modulated. Frequency modulated एवं amplitude modulated उभय पठा जाए साउंड पाई एवं तार पिक्चर पाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी इन डायनामो, माइक्रोफोन, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर, हीटर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर रे इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी को मैकेनिकल एनर्जी रे कन्वर्ट करा जाए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, वन लाइट ईयर इज डैश, द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल्ड बाय लाइट in free space in 1 year, the light emitted by sun in 1 year, the time taken by light to travel from sun to earth, intensity of light emitted by sun in 1 year. The correct answer is option A, the distance traveled by light in free space in 1 year. In 1 year light केते distance cover करछि ताको हमें कहूचे 1 light year. Next question देखिबा, bleeding from nose is caused when a person is there higher altitude where atmosphere pressure is low, lower altitude where atmosphere pressure is high, normal altitudes where atmosphere pressure is high, no effect of altitude. The correct answer is option A, higher altitude where atmosphere pressure is low. The main component of biogas is butane, ethylene, methane, propane. The correct answer is option C, methane. Next question देखिबा, subatomic particles are electrons, protons, neutrons, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Electron, proton, neutrons are subatomic particles. Next question देखिबा, carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas because bind to digestive hormones, damage lungs, destroys RBCs, binds to hemoglobin. The correct answer is option D, binds to hemoglobin. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड ब्लड रे अधिक परिमाण हेजा फल रे हेमोग्लोबिन बाइंड्स को दुजी जा फल रे हमें ऑक्सीजन हम बॉडी रो सब ऑर्गन को पहुंच पारे नहीं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हिच इज नॉट ए सिंथेटिक पॉलीमर, पीवीसी, नायलॉन, पॉलीस्टीरीन, रेसिन. The correct answer is option D, resin. नेक्स्ट देखिबा bee sting causes severe pain and burning sensation due to the presence of acetic acid, sulfuric acid, citric acid, methanoic acid. The correct answer is option D, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid is the other name of formic acid. Next one देखिबा albinism is caused due to the deficiency of hormone, enzyme, vitamin, metal. The correct answer is option A, hormone. Albinism is caused due to the hormone deficiency. Next question देखिबा in ballpoint pens dyes used are water based, alcohol based, glycerin based, oil based. The correct answer is option A, water based. In ballpoint pens water based dye are used. Next question देखिबा which one of the following is color is least divided by the glass prism? Option A, green, option B, red, option C, violet, option D, orange. The correct answer is option C, violet. Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of brinjal, banana, pipal, banyan. The correct answer is option D, banyan tree. The scientific name of banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. Next question देखिबा Spirogyra is a kind of algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. The correct answer is option A, algae. Spirogyra is a algae. Next question देखिबा which of the following substances is not synthetic? Fibroin, Lexan, neoprene, Teflon. The correct answer is option A, fibroin. Next question देखिबा change in the base sequence within a gene is called mutation, cloning, fusion, breeding. The correct answer is option A, mutation. Hypsometer is used to measure the pressure of gas, the boiling point of liquids, the level of humidity, the depth of ocean. The correct answer is option B, the boiling point of liquids. Hypsometer is used to measure the boiling point of liquids. Sagarmala project is under which Ministry of Government in India? Option A, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterway, Ministry of Sports, Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Surface Transport. The correct answer is option A, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Sagarmala project is under Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterway, Ministry of Government of India. Next question देखिबा which country has begun its 2-year tenure as a non-permanent member of the UN Security Council? Russia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh. Correct answer is option C, India. India started its 2-year tenure as non-permanent member of UN Security Council. Next question देखिबा who is the chairman of State Commission for Backward Caste in Odisha? Justice Raghunath Biswal, Justice Bimal Prasad Das, Justice Vijay Krishna Patel, Justice Jatindra Prasad Das. The correct answer is option A, Justice Raghunath Biswal. High Court Justice Sri Raghunath Biswal होउचंदी backward caste in Odisha रो chairman. Next question देखिबा which of the following is not correct? The first Indian Japan Samvad conference was held in 2015 at Bodh in India. The Samvad conference revolves around the need to build the future of Asia under the positive influence of tradition of non-violence and democracy in Asia. In the 6th Samvad conference, PM Mr. Modi proposed to establish a library of traditional Buddhist literature and scriptures. Option D, Samvad conference is being held every year since 2015 between India and Thailand. The correct answer is option D. Option D is the wrong. The Samvad conference is being held every year since 2015 between India and Japan. Option A दिया है देखो the first Indian Japan Samvad conference was held in 2015 तो ताहा इंडिया और जापान मध्य होतिला किंतु ऑप्शन डी रे ता देछि इंडिया और थाईलैंड सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिबा Shanghai Cooperation Organization Heads of State Summit was held on 10th November 2020 in the video conference format. The summit was hosted by Russia, India, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. The correct answer is option A, Russia. Russia hosts the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Heads of State Summit held on 10th November 2020.